This is activity number 3 in winter of 26, week 9 of the CAD course using CATIA V5. Uh, what I have here is a model that has several rounds and fillets. Remember, the external ones are called rounds. The internal ones are called fillets in CATIA. I already did this problem and I generated that block with all these fillets and rounds with the dimensions that you see here. And what I would like to do is to use the STP file of this model that was generated and do part analysis in it in order to uh, get information about fillets and rounds and play with it. Okay. Now, just keep in mind that when I did the model and created this in CATIA, I made sure that the fillets and rounds that are generated do not use tangency because otherwise I will not be able to give these different, necessarily different numbers on it. Okay, use minimal. But anyway, we don't care because we're going to extract the uh, or import the STP file. We're not going to see this. Okay, so let's go ahead here. Uh, File, open. Let me see, and it's the STP file which is right there. And there we are. Okay. It's a dumb solid. You don't see anything here. And we're not even trying to parameterize it. It's just that what I want to do is to get information about fillets and rounds. Okay. So if you look at this icon, it says part analysis. You click on it. Okay. And you go here. Move this thing out of the way. Notice that this table opens up. On the left side, you have the rounds. And on the right side, you have the fillets. Okay, let me change this thing to automatic here. So basically, when you start thing, it looks like that. Okay, now uh, let me select the body, and this is the body, and notice that say okay. Now it'll give you some information here. What it says. It says there are 8 rounds. 8 rounds. Now, if you count it, you see that there are 8. Let me go back here. 8 rounds. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm getting 7. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And here it says uh, rounds is 8 recognized. Now, unless I'm missing something, I see 7 here. Unless this this may be treated as the 8th one. I'm not sure. It could be that this little leftover here could be the 8th one. So let's see now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It could be. And it says the maximum radius is 8. So if you go here, and minimum is 4. Okay, so if you go back to this thing, maximum is 8 down here, and minimum is 4, which is there. Okay, fine. Now, what else do we have? As far as fillets, the internal one, 3 recognized. So there's 1 here, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This was 1 millimeter, this was 2 millimeter, this was 3 millimeter, and that's what this thing says. And it says 0 colorized. What that means is that we're not asking it to give us any information about where these things are. So let me say, okay, I'm going to go and colorize it. What does that mean? So notice that I have here colorization rule. So let's say that these are for the let me put this thing back to single first of all. Okay. These are for, uh, you know what? Let me put the cursor here, right click, delete rule, so that they look exactly the same. We're starting fresh. Okay. Now, uh, let's say that I want to worry about the rounds here. The maximum, I'm going to make this thing yellow. Minimum, I'm going to make it uh, orange. Okay. So what I'm asking is to give me to color the maximum one with yellow, the minimum one with orange. So the maximum was 8, which was, I believe, on the left side down below, and the minimum one on the top right corner. So let's go ahead and do that. Select the body, and then if you say okay, say okay, there we are. Maximum, minimum. Let's do it again. Click on this. Let's go worry about the fillets. So what I'm going to do is the maximum fillet, I'm going to make it blue. Minimum fillet, I'm going to make it green. Okay. Select the body. Remember, 1, 2, 3. So it'll give me 1 and 3. You select the body, either from the screen or from the tree, and then you say, okay, so this should be green, and this should be blue. Green and blue. Okay. Let's go back here. Anytime we don't want something, we can go to automatic, and it's going to put it back where it was. Automatic, back where it was. And if you say select the body, and I say okay, everything is going to turn uh, gray. Okay, let's go. Let's go get, play with the range. So here is the part analysis. So let's say we want to find the range of values. Notice that that's what this rule means. So I don't want a single value. I want a range of values. Okay. So I want the range of values on the round from 4 millimeter to well, let's see now. Range from 4 millimeter to, let's say, 8. 8. I may have to change this thing to 9. We'll see. Right there. So give me all the rounds between 4 millimeter and uh, let's say leave it as 8, and then we if it doesn't give us the 8, we're going to change that to add, or the color. Give me anything in that range with that magenta. Add, select the body, and say okay. Between 4 and 8. There we are. So remember, let me see now. This was 4, 5, 6, 6. This is 6. So if you go back here, I may have to change that thing to 9 to get this last one. So it looks like when it comes here, if you put the 9, then it's going to give me the 8 one too. Select the body, and then say okay. Yeah. So what did I ask for? I asked for, let's see now. I asked for, uh, on the side, yeah, 4. So 4, 5, 5, and then 6, and then this last one being 8. For 8, I had to put in 9. Okay, that's weird. So if you go back here, let's go back here and change that 4 to 3, to 3, see what happens. Let me go back here. Oh, cancel that. Uh, by the way, when you are have changed your mind, you want to basically delete the rule. Put the cursor here. Put the cursor anywhere there. Right click, delete rule. Okay. Let's go do another one. Let's do it for actually for fillets. Okay. So first of all, a range of values. Give me a range of values between. Okay, I'll put down 0 to 4. Change the color to green. Add. Select the body. Say okay. There we are. Kind of weird the way this thing works. So if I make this thing 3, it will not show me the 3. We'll see. Yeah, that's weird. So if you want 3 to be included, 4 to be, 3 to be included, you have to go to 4. Weird. Yeah, go to 4, select the body. There. Yeah, and if you change your mind, you don't want that rule, put the cursor anywhere there, right click, delete rule, and you can start fresh. It looks like you can also import the fillet rules. I don't want to do that. Now, one more thing. There's something here, background color. This is good. So let's say that let's do a range of for round. Let's do a range. So range of values going between. Let me put down 6 to 9. Let me show you something. 6 to 9. Because if I put 8, I'm not going to see the fillet that's 8. And change the color to, oh, I don't know, maybe yellow. Okay. Select the body. There we are. And say okay. Fine. Oh, what did I choose? What did I do? Hang in there. Oh, I forgot to add, I think I forgot to add the rule. So let's go between 4, 5, range of values between 5 and 9. Okay, change the color. What did I say? I can't remember. Or whatever. Yellow. Don't forget to add. Select the body. And then say okay. Good. Now, so it gave me, what did I ask for? It gave me all the fillets between 5 and 9. So that's why it didn't give me 4. Okay. And if I put an 8 here, it's not going to give me that one that's 8. So let's check it out. This bottom one is going to go. Yeah, you can see that. Now, what I wanted to show you was this background color. If you go say background color, or for some reason I want it to be orange, select the body, say okay. That's what happens. Anyway, this is useful when you have a complicated model and bring it in, STP, and you don't know where the fillets are, you don't know where the rounds are, maybe too small, maybe too, you want to delete them, etc. So this is going to be very useful for that purpose. And there are some things that I don't like about it, but like that, if you want 8 millimeter, you should put a 9 there. So not good. All right, folks. So good luck.